Hey folks, Rod, RK Auto Detailing. Just wanted to get a little short video out about where I've been, what I've been up to. Still doing detailing. It's busy, and I've been doing the RVs. Now here in the Midwest, we're in September and the end of the summer, getting a lot of the washing done, a lot of the interior cleaned because of two things. A lot of folks are getting their RVs ready to be winterized and either be covered outside or put into storage. So therefore, I'm just getting the last minute detailing done, and or a lot of them are snowbirding. So they're trying to get everything fixed, get their RVs detailed, cleaned up, and ready to head south. So with that, not a lot of time to sling the camera and just position everything and getting that in. I'm more on a tight time frame with those because they're a bigger unit. Most of the time I'm by myself, unless my daughter's been helping out here and there. But for the most part, it's a lot of work, and not that I'm complaining, but I just have to just set the camera aside and say, I got to get this done. So I want to be fair to the customer and not drag it out, because some of them live in their fifth wheels or their motor homes. Others are, hey, I'm not going to be there this weekend. Go ahead, go in, clean it, get it ready. So just wanted to say that. Another unusual thing I had was I had Saturday. I was going to get some chores done around the house, and I had a gentleman reach out to me. Said, hey, he had this 68 Dodge Sweepside 4x4 pickup, and they were just doing the interior to make it drivable. It's very pristine as far as no rust or anything. Just want to keep the patina look, but got the interior where it's comfortable, the seat reupholstered and all that, but the seat belts were really dirty and dingy. Wanted them clean, so they took them out and dropped the seat belts off to me. So I spent about an hour and a half on those or so, and got them cleaned up and polished up the ends, cleaned some of the rust pits and other jazz out. But that's, the unusual things you get in detailing. So I just wanted to get this out and say, we haven't gone out of business, or we're not shooting videos. I do have quite a few videos or vehicles that I can do videos coming up in the mid-October through Thanksgiving. I've got ceramic coating and other jazz, so that is going to be coming back. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming up, and probably some more, because we launched this channel the first of this year. So as we go into maybe some other maybe indoor car shows over the winter, RV shows, just to get in and do some other wild and crazy stuff, fun things. So that's all. The whole key thing about this channel is we're having fun. I'm showing you some stuff I know. You can always chime in, critique, but at the end, we're having fun, and we're giving the customer full quality. We're not cutting corners or going short on anything, but wanted to get this in and just say, hey, we're still here, we're still going. One of our customers reached out and said, aren't you doing the YouTube anymore? And I said, yeah, I just a little too busy right now. So I wanted to at least chime in. So if I can get something in by the end of September, I don't have any promises on that, but we definitely will have stuff moving forward after the middle of October. That's when most of the campgrounds are buttoning up, where they're turning the power and water off to start winterizing by the end of October, so they can be prepared for the winter months and the cold temps. So just bear with us if there's something particular you want to see. But I am freeing up more room in my garage. I found a place. One of the customers I detailed their Lexus this summer has got a big storage pole barn, and I'm going to be able to put the Ram. So that may be a video before I put the Ram in long-term storage. So I'll free up that side of the garage, and I don't have to jockey so many vehicles around utilizing my space. So until next time, just stay tuned and be patient.